Hello everyone, Derek Floyd from ikmultimedia. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce you to two of our brand new synth products in our ever-growing synth line, the Synth Pro and the Synth Pro Desktop. Throughout this video, my goal will be to show you the ins and outs, features and benefits, and answer any questions you might have about this incredible groundbreaking analog synth. I'll also be bringing some of IK's actual engineers that helped create and design the Synth Pro sound engine to give you a little bit more insight about how some of the features and benefits stack up against similar products in the market. Lastly, but most importantly, I'm going to actually let you hear how the Synth Pro sounds by having some of our IK musicians play some killer demos for you that truly impressed me that I think will leave you wanting more as well. So let's sit back and enjoy and kind of take in the grand tour of the Synth Pro and Synth Pro Desktop. Let's take a look at segment 1 together.
If asked about Italian products, you might imagine precision sports cars, designer fashion, or fine food and wine. Luxury items that combine craftsmanship and bold design. But Italy offers a rich history of musical instruments as well. In the 1960s, Italian combo organs, notably Farfisa and Gem, were extremely popular. These gave rise to the European synthesizer industry, with Italian synth makers leading the way throughout the 70s and 80s. As an Italian company whose mission is to create groundbreaking, innovative new products, we wanted to build on this legacy and drive Italian synth making into the future with the Synth Pro.
For this new synth design, we decided to take our original synth and expand it in nearly every section. With more oscillators, more filters, more sequence memory, more effects, more presets, more connection, and more programmability. Once we had finalized the sound engine requirements, we turned again to the expertise of Italian boutique synth maker Sound Machines, with whom we had successfully developed the Synth. Sound Machines took our specification and developed the board layout and electronics. The challenge was to maximize musicality, flexibility and connectivity, while maintaining quality and eliminating unneeded expenses as well.
So we've been given this very demanding and precise task from ikmultimedia to transform into an actual physical product, a set of very detailed specification. The specs were about the quality of the overall sound, the complexity of the machine, so the actual structure of the voice of the synthesizer, and also the dimension and mechanical approach to the machine. For this, we opted for very open design ideas with respect to circuitry, to the choice of components, because we have been asked to put a lot of functions and quality into a very small package for portability. And so we had, in accord to this, tried to find the best that was available in terms of technology of the components. And also we did some new type of circuitry, both analog and digital, to fulfill this requirement. And we used many tiny components on the board and technologies that will allow us to pack a lot of stuff into a very small footprint.
For the Synth Pro, we needed a superior keybed, and our choice was an easy one. Fatar is Italy's best keybed manufacturer and just a couple of hours down the road.
Fatar was founded in the 1956 by Lino Ragni. Time by time later he started to develop his own concept of a new keyboard, and he succeeded to supply his own keyboard to every single manufacturer in this area. Fatar gets his position with a good brand reputation because of the reliable quality of our products, and especially because we take in consideration the musician needs. And so we have a big part of our process which is highly industrialized. But the very last stage of the keyboard manufacturing is 100% handmade. For this project, in the Uno Synth, we have chosen our best synth action, which is a TP9, which we found meet very well with the sound engine developed by ikmultimedia.
We're proud of the fact that the Uno Synth Pro and the Uno Synth Pro desktop are designed and assembled in Italy, and that they continue our heritage of making superior synths. We control the quality of each instrument at every step of the process, with strict attention to each detail. We test the electronics of every Uno Synth Pro before it leaves ikmultimedia, both with automated testing and single-person operation. Far from just another clone, Uno Synth Pro is a forward-thinking and innovative instrument capable of delivering the widest range of sounds for musicians everywhere. Uno Synth Pro, next generation analog for everyone, made in Italy.